What's going on, guys? Will's Trees here, and I'm gonna be breaking down my bonsai trees. First video ever. Not sure where to start, but we're gonna start here. So my name is Will Chapman, and I just do bonsai trees for fun. I'm not professional, really. I don't have any particular crazy style. Some of y'all might even hate the way I like to handle things, way I do the soil. Because whatever in my trees survives, so I reside in Atlanta, Georgia, and it's pretty icy. You guys look down. I'm about to go show you guys my icy trees. Let's go ahead, take a trip up here. Look at this. All right, so coming up here, let's check this out. Look at this fella right here. Some of these in the springtime. We're not too far from spring, which is why I gotta start this now. Some of these I've had for years. Some of these I have not had for that long. But yeah, this is just my inventory. You guys gotta see everything that is completely frozen over. Japanese maple right here with the ice cover is crazy. Yeah, like some of these are actually crazy. And it's really hard to tell because all this is frozen solid, but even got frozen bamboo down here. I've kind of just decided whatever dies, dies. It's just too much to move into the garage, too much to protect from the winter, and a lot of it will survive, which is why some of y'all might hate, so. Look how impressive that is right here. Now walking in here, this is where way too many trees I have to get rid of reside. These are all jades, dwarf jades, regular jades, and just look at some of these. Isn't that crazy right there? That size of that dwarf jade. I wouldn't even call it a dwarf jade anymore, but a lot of this can come back out in the spring. So a lot of this is due to get trimmed up in the spring, of course, and you guys can just see I have way too many plants. So I'm ready to get back to it. It's crazy, I'm just working hard at it. Got to keep it all protected inside. Of course, this stuff I care about. But I'll catch you guys in the next one, next update. Happy first video. Hope y'all stay tuned, stay blessed. Praise Jesus every day. Thank you guys.